Welcome to our exploration of affiliate marketing's allure and its downfalls. Affiliate marketing is booming. It's a popular way to earn passive income online. You promote other companies' products and earn a commission for every sale you generate. Sounds simple, right? However, many fall into common traps and miss out on success. One major pitfall is diving in blindly without a clear strategy. Just like any business, affiliate marketing needs a plan. Without it, you're navigating a maze in the dark. Another mistake is focusing solely on making a quick buck. This short-sighted approach often leads to unethical practices and ultimately failure. Remember, building a trustworthy brand takes time and effort. It's about connecting with your audience and providing value. This article will equip you with the knowledge to avoid these pitfalls and thrive in the dynamic world of affiliate marketing. Let's dive into the common mistakes and how to steer clear of them. Now let's talk about mistake 1, lack of niche focus. Spreading yourself too thin. One of the biggest mistakes affiliate marketers make is trying to be everything to everyone. They promote a wide range of products across different niches, hoping something will stick. This scattered approach rarely works. Instead of a focused laser beam, their marketing efforts become a diffused light, ineffective and weak. Choosing a niche allows you to target a specific audience interested in particular products or services. This targeted approach increases your chances of conversion. Think about it. Would you rather buy from a general store or a specialty shop that understands your unique needs? The answer is clear. When you focus on a niche, you become an authority in that area. You gain in-depth knowledge of the products and the audience. This expertise builds trust and credibility, essential for successful affiliate marketing. So, resist the temptation to cast a wide net. Instead, focus your energy on a specific niche. Become an expert and watch your conversions soar. Moving on to mistake 2, ignoring audience needs. A recipe for disaster. Imagine this. You're bombarded with ads for products you have absolutely no interest in. Annoying, right? That's precisely what happens when affiliate marketers ignore their audience's needs. They prioritize promoting products with high commissions over those that genuinely benefit their audience. This approach is a recipe for disaster. Your audience can spot inauthenticity a mile away. If you're constantly pushing products they don't need or want, you'll lose their trust and ultimately their business. Remember, successful affiliate marketing is about building relationships, not breaking them. To avoid this pitfall, invest time in understanding your audience. What are their pain points? What solutions are they seeking? Once you have a clear understanding, choose products that align with their needs and provide genuine value. This customer-centric approach fosters trust and leads to long-term success. In the affiliate marketing world, it's tempting to focus on promoting products with the highest commissions. However, this strategy can backfire if you prioritize quantity over quality. Remember, your reputation is on the line. Every product you promote reflects on your brand. Promoting low-quality products or services can damage your credibility and erode your audience's trust. They might make a one-time purchase, but they won't return. Worse, they might even discourage others from engaging with your content. This can be detrimental to your long-term success. Instead of chasing high commissions, focus on promoting high-quality products that you genuinely believe in. Thoroughly research the products you're considering, read reviews, and even try them out yourself if possible. This way, you can confidently recommend products that provide real value to your audience, building trust and loyalty. You've created fantastic content showcasing amazing products. But what if your website is lost in the vast ocean of the internet? That's what happens when you neglect search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is crucial for driving organic traffic to your website. Without SEO, your target audience won't be able to find your content, no matter how valuable it is. They won't know about the fantastic products you're promoting, and you'll miss out on potential sales. It's like having a shop on a deserted street with no foot traffic. To avoid this mistake, invest time in learning and implementing SEO best practices. Use relevant keywords in your content, optimize your website for mobile devices, and build high-quality backlinks. By improving your website's visibility, you'll attract more potential customers and increase your chances of affiliate marketing success. In the pursuit of quick profits, some affiliate marketers resort to unethical practices. This includes using spammy tactics, writing misleading reviews, or hiding their affiliate links. While these tactics might yield short-term gains, they inevitably lead to long-term failure. Engaging in unethical practices damages your reputation and erodes your audience's trust. Once you've lost their trust, it's incredibly difficult, if not impossible, to regain it. Moreover, search engines and affiliate networks are cracking down on these practices. Getting caught can lead to penalties, even permanent bans. Instead of taking shortcuts, focus on building a sustainable business based on trust and transparency. Disclose your affiliate relationships upfront, provide honest reviews, and prioritize your audience's needs. Remember, long-term success in affiliate marketing requires ethical practices and genuine value creation. Affiliate marketing, while potentially lucrative, is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, strategy, and a commitment to ethical practices. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can navigate the affiliate marketing maze with confidence and set yourself up for sustainable success. Remember to focus on a specific niche, understand your audience's needs, prioritize quality over quantity, implement SEO best practices, and above all, maintain ethical standards. By adhering to these principles, you can build a thriving affiliate marketing business that stands the test of time. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, be patient, and always prioritize providing value to your audience. Do this, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your affiliate marketing goals.